Welcome to Battery Guys with a Z. Today we are installing a 2016 Volvo battery, and this battery is located in the side of the trunk, back of the trunk. Now what you would need is a 10-inch millimeter wrench, to take off either a socket, to take off the negative terminal first. As you see, we just switched from a wrench to a 10-inch millimeter socket. Now we're taking off the positive terminal. And if this is your first time visiting the channel, please subscribe and like the video and hit the notification bell. We are uploading videos every day of how to install some of the most incredible vehicles, that we have seen here, on Earth. Yeah, this battery is going to be a pain to get out because there's thick wires, but it'll come out though. Just take your time. Tilt it sideways. But it's a pain to get out though. There you go, keep tilting it. There you go. We got Dalton helping in, trying to assist Matt taking out the battery. Now you gotta see exactly how to scoot that battery back in there. Just take a look. You gotta scoot it in there sideways. Flat on the stomach. And go right in there. Just like that. Yeah, so what now Matt is doing now, he's actually on the side of this battery, there's like a bolt, the bolt down the battery. So he's basically just put that back in. Now he's putting back on the positive terminal of this battery itself. And again, you can use a 10-inch millimeter wrench or as a socket set, 10 millimeter socket set. Hey, be careful with these wires too. You just want to take your time with these wires because this is the power source of this car. So take your time putting that positive back on. And if you have a chance, please visit our website at batteryguyswithaz.com and check out the different batteries and accessories we have for like marine batteries, golf cart batteries, you name them, AGM batteries, high performance batteries. We sell at a fraction of the cost compared to your national competitor. And we do provide free shipping as well. Okay, so now we're going to put that positive terminal on. Take your time. Here we're using a 10-inch wrench and just turn it clockwise to tighten that bolt. And if you like this video, please give us a thumb up. We're trying to grow the channel. As you see, we got new videos we're listing every day. That helps in the algorithm to help us push our videos up. Thank you for stopping by. We definitely appreciate you. But this is how you install a 2015 Volvo battery.